Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Hopefully everybody had a great day with the stock markets, and we had yesterday off. Come across some information on Ozop Energy, ticker OZSC, and I just wanted to point this out and make everybody aware of it. I actually bought some more of it today here, kind of around this dip, I think at the 34-cent range. So I still have faith in this company and still think it's going to go up, and started off at 38, 36, just kind of traded kind of sideways here. But had to get some more of this one before it goes up anymore, and I think it's going to keep going up. So again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. It's up to you to do your own due diligence and just bring in the highlights here and some good stocks your way, and see if we can all make money together. So if you haven't hit that like button for me, if you could hit that, as well as subscribing. I'm trying to get up to 500 subscribers by the end of the month, and I've had some really good growth here again in the last couple days, so I thank you for everybody that's been subscribing. But back to Ozop. You can kind of see what it's done here in the last week. It was up actually to a high there of 48, and then it's just been kind of trading flat and been going up here again in the last part of the week. But I come across this information here. Ozop Energy Systems announces a new consulting engineer, and I actually had somebody send this to me, so a big shout out to them. And I was kind of watching and heard something about it earlier today, and didn't have a chance to research it until I got home here after work. So, but anyway, back to the article. Ozop is pleased to announce the hiring of Mr. Ian Graham as our new consulting engineer for its subsidiary Ozop Energy System Incorporated. Ian Graham brings a long record of experience in microgrids, large-scale wind, large-scale solar, and battery storage. So it looks like he's got a lot of good experience here in wind, solar, and battery storage. The first 3 years of his career was developing and building microgrids using wind, natural gas, diesel, and battery storage, then transitioned for 4 years on providing solutions for the wind industry as an owner's engineer on utility projects in the United States. The next period was focused on product and project development for battery storage, reviewing, modeling, and designing 1,000 projects for a variety of diligence questions, including equipment selection, fatal flaw analysis, resource modeling, and the engineering and design package. Some of his projects include, but not limited to, owner's engineer for Tesla, and this is what really caught my eye here. Owner's engineer for Tesla, project in California on the distribution system for resource adequacy. Design and owner's engineer for Casio Blackstart, Python development and design of optimization modeling of solar, wind, and standalone battery projects for sizing and energy optimization. And so he's got quite a long resume here, quite a few different things that he's done, so I think he'll be a good one that they've brought on board here, and we'll see where it takes the business and where it takes the stock. I'll let you continue here if you want to go ahead and pause the article and finish reading that. He's got quite a list here, and again, you can find this on Yahoo Finance. Here's some of the key projects that he's gotten into, and so I think this will bring some more flavor to the company and some new projects, and maybe they can get some more deals going, and the price, that's why I'm glad I got in a couple more shares this morning. I think I bought 1,000 or 2,000 in a retirement account, and I'd have to double check and see how many I have total now. I think it's 5,000 or so. I'm still kind of conservative on this one, so I'm just been dollar cost averaging into it and just kind of seeing where it's taken me. But I've seen people with tens, hundreds, millions of shares on this. Of course, they got in when it was a lot lower of a price than what you could buy into it today. But if you don't have a bunch of cash to get into it, just keep dollar cost averaging into it. And I'm not one of those hype YouTubers and say you need to go out and buy 100,000 shares or 1,000,000 shares when it's a penny and this and that. It's again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. It's up to you to do your own due diligence. But and moving on with the article here. So if you want to pause it and finish the rest of that. With the addition of Ian Graham to the Ozop Energy team, we take another big step towards developing Ozop Energy Systems into a global leader of supply chain solutions with the renewable energy market. Mr. Graham brings added value to our customers with the ability to oversee their individual product development, stated Brian Conway, Chief Executive Officer of OZSC. With the coming growth surge in the renewable energy, we expect to capture a substantial share of these emerging and maturing sectors. So right there you have it, and that's what's going to make the stock go up. And if you're watching this, you probably already know what Ozop's all about. But they invent, design, develop, manufacture, and distribute ultra-high power chargers, inverters, and power supplies for a wide variety of applications in the defense, heavy industry, aircraft ground support, maritime, and other sectors. And I've covered this one quite a few different times and come across it a couple months ago, and I just kept buying into it and just kind of going with it, and it keeps going up. So I have a lot of faith in this company, and I think it could be a big deal. So that's about it for Ozop. Again, if you haven't hit that like button, go ahead and smash that for me, as well as hitting the subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And last time I saw, about 10 to 15% of the people that are watching my videos have subscribed, so you need to get the other 80 to 85% and get everybody subscribing so I can take my channel to the next level. So that's it for Ozop. If you have any other info on this one, go ahead and put in the comments so we can share it and all make money together. If you would like any videos done, go ahead and put that in the comments. I take requests from time to time. I've done a couple here in the last week, so that's always nice to do. And again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.